Ang masasabi ko lang, he left everything to save his life. Na yung sakit niya, hindi po ako yung naging cause ng sakit niya. Para lang to make sure to clarify the people na hindi po ako naging cause ng sakit ng asawa ko. Bago natin i-judge yung isang tao, just make sure na malinis po tayo. Okay? Look who's home, guys. Beatrice is home. She don't go to school. She's eating apple now as her merienda because she is sick. She's coughing and cannot sleep at night time. So, nagpa-schedule na kami ng doctor. So, let's see what you've got there. We're waiting for something kasi may order kami.
Yeah.
Tapos,
you say, I can find it on Google Maps, I say.
that is the one that you order. Just different order?
This is, someone sent me, I don't know. No, she's CBT. I don't know, it'll be not 6.
So, binilhan namin si Beatrice ng pants kasi alam niyo yung bago namin binili sa kanya na so yan, binilhan siya namin ng pants para pang Diyos ko si Beatrice, I don't know how she play tsaka pair nito. Labanan natin. Keep going. The original ng ano ko. This is so dusty. So guys, ang dami kong gagawin. Magluluto muna ako kasi babalik kami sa city. No? We're going back to the city around 1:30 kasi may schedule si Betty sa ano niya eh. No baby, I already eat one. What's that?
Okay.
What you've got?
It's always useful.
Someone gave him. Wow.
This is only for the rack. Wait, there's a screw here.
Is it free or you bought it?
I don't buy it. It's free. There's a screw there.
Okay. So guys, magluluto muna ako. Meron tayo ditong strawberry naman from my in-law, so binigyan ako. Tsaka binigyan ako ng bayabas. Daming bayabas. Ano pa bang pinadala? Alam ko yung pinadala siya sa... pinadalhan pala ako niya kahapon. Kasi yung asawa ko pumunta nga sa kanila. Pinadalhan ako ng indos ko ng kamote. So, gagawin natin itong kamote cure. Tingnan mo, dami to. So, ayan. Kamote yan dyan. May purple, may yellow. Yan, libre lang to. Tanim to ng in-laws ko. Because alam niya na gustong-gusto ko yung kamote. Try ko siguro yan para makakakain din sila. Ayaw nila nang nilaga eh. So ayan, kakakain ko ng isang saging. Try natin tong bayabas. Oh.
The one that I buy the motherboard for this computer. They say it has a cooler there, but you don't bring it on that day. Okay.
So yeah. Tamis ng bayabas. Strawberry.
Yeah.
Halo-halo. Magugus na ako. Magluluto na ako. Guys, let's eat. This is our food for today. Yan. Ito yung burger. Nilagyan ko po ng yan. So, pag gumawa ka ng mga menu dito, dapat applicable din sa bread para everybody is happy. So, yung si kay Beatrice, she will eat burger. Hindi yan sunog. Okay lang yan. And side dish is olives. Mine is this rice, cucumber pickles, and hindi po yan sunog guys. I will show you. Masarap yan. Yan. Homemade burger. Tapos, we have, yung camera. We have smoothies. Blueberry and strawberry smoothies. Ayan. So, let's eat. Let's eat na, Papa. Beatrice, let's eat. So, guys. Hindi ako sumama sa kanila kasi may inaantay kaming package na darating. Si Beatrice kasi, di ba, parang long-term na effect nung nagkaroon siya ng, yung hindi siya yung ano ba, yung parang na-dehydrate sa school. Long-term effect, may long-term effect na yun. Kaya kayo, yung mga anak nyo, na huwag nyo hayaan na mangyari yun. At saka sana yung mga teacher din ba, magiging concerned din sila sa Tiyan mo na. So, hindi ako sumama sa kanila kasi may naantay kaming package na darating. We bought air purifier with dehumidifier. Kasi pag winter, piniprepare na namin sa winter. This will be the first winter na after nung nangyari sa kay Beatrice sa school. So, we want to be sure na pag mag-dry ang air sa winter kasi di ba gagamit tayo ng fireplace, mag-dry ang air. So, we need na ma-humidify, dehumidify yung room niya. Kami okay lang naman, kami nasanay na kami, pero siya kailangan talaga nating alagaan. So, inaantay ko. So, hindi ako makalabas dahil hindi ako sumama sa inaantay nga namin. Baka tawag sa amin nung Friday, tapos hindi namin nasagot kasi binigay ng asawa ko na number is yung number ng house number namin. So, yan. Nandito lang ako. Kaya dalawa lang sila ang pumunta pumunta kami ng morning sa clinic, nagpa-schedule. Kasi dito hindi naman na agad-agad ma-entertain ka. I don't know the system here now, but pumunta kami kasi sa amin dito, sa aming house doctor. Tapos sabi, babalik daw bukas ng umaga at 8. Hindi nila binigyan ng schedule. I don't know what is the system like that now. So, pumunta kami sa city. Dahil puno na ngayong araw dito, so, pumunta kami sa city. So, yung binigay sa amin, 2:30. Kaya bumalik silang dalawa doon sa city. Nagpa-check out. So, kasi, si Beatrice, yung cough niya, yung naawa ko sa gabi kasi parang hindi tumitigil. Pero tumigil siya mga around 11 na yata. Pero nakatulog naman siya. She only coughed twice habang natutulog siya. Okay naman yung tulog niya. Pero yung pag before, parang tilagok ba? So, I feel sorry for our daughter for that. Parang ang asthmatic yung sound ng kanyang cough. Kawawa. So, imagine that only one event, that only one thing happened to her. One day happened to her na hindi siya uminom ng tubig. Tingnan natin mamaya yung package na darating dito sa atin, di ba? About pala sa bahay ng asawa ko sa Germany. May storya kasi yung buhay niya before me. Kaya yung, as I said nga, yung sakit niya, hindi po ako yung naging cause ng sakit niya. Para lang to make sure to clarify the people na hindi po ako naging cause ng sakit ng asawa ko. Because nakikita po yan sa dugo niya that sickness happened 10 years ago before pa ako na met ng asawa ko. So, hindi yun that things happen, hindi agad-agad yan. Parang ganun. So, it stays so long in his body, this blah 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 blah. Madami kasi yun. Madaming version. So, anyway, niya ganyan. So, pakwento ko na lang, siya lang yung magkwento. Diba? Wag na ako. Siya na magkwento. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw na magkwento. Para mabawasan naman yung ano sa loob mo. Diba? Iba kasi pag nakwento mo diba? Ang masasabi ko lang, he left everything to save his life. Yes, left everything to save his life. I-detail natin. Pero yung asawa ko lang magkwento sa inyo kung paano niya, yun. Pero yung bahay, iniwan niya. Tapos sabi niya kasi sa Germany, pag 10 years mo na hindi nabayaran yung tax ng sa yung bahay mo, ng properties mo, i-confiscate ng government. So, okay lang sa kanya. Tapos, may mga iniwan pa siya aside sa bahay, iniwan din niya yung sasakyan niya. Sabi niya, pinark niya daw yun basta siya lang pakwentuhin natin. He left 2 cars. Yung isa, iniwan niya sa kaibigan niya. Yung isa, iniwan niya doon pinark niya lang. Pero siya na yung paano natin kung sa susunod na video, kung paano saan niya iniwan yung sasakyan. Kasi gusto na nga niya, ganun talaga guys. If you find some opportunity, hindi naman opportunity, if you find some motivation to live your life na pwede naman pala, di ba? Tapos, why stay in that kind of situation? So, yeah, gusto niya lang i-save yung life niya. Madami pa yung kwento, yung buhay niya. So, dapat ma-inspire kayo at saka sana matuto din kayo. So, yeah, ganyan. So, for now, hanggang dyan lang muna, bitin na naman tayo. Pero masasabi ko, yung bahay niya, malaki yung bahay niya. Binili niya yung cash sa kanyang out from his pocket. Tapos yun, basta niya lang iniwan ng ganun-ganun. But I hope, kasi meron kasing before na i-post ko na to about sa buhay niya, tapos may isang tao dyan na nagsasabi, ano na pala meron palang sabit, ganun-ganun. At to imagine, that person na nagsasabi na may sabit na ganyan-ganyan, ay ilang lalaki na din sa buhay niya. Parang ganun. So, bago natin i-judge yung isang tao, just make sure na malinis po tayo. Okay? So, ang dami mo pa namang ang dami mo pa na-appreciate ka, pero basa ba. Parang andito na yung mag-ama ko. Darating na. Buksan natin yung gate. Ba?
Here.
Many medicine? Wow, many medicine. So, Beatrice, come on here, Mama. Bea, you want to remove your jacket? Come on here. Just remove your jacket. Seems it's too warm.
I miss you.
I miss you
Mama,
too.
why you are trying to scare me?
No, it's not scary. I want to straw. Come on here, Mama.
But you don't see Papa. It was right there. No?
Yeah, of course. You want to remove your jacket or it's okay?
I was knocking.
Yeah, I hear that, but I say I want to surprise Beatrice. So what is...
Mama, go check. Mama, here are medicine.
Walang medicine. Diyos ko.
And here's the last one that is bigger.
Uy,
Mom, you want to check this
24
out?
hours.
You want to check this out? You want to check these out? This one has a tape.
So, let's ask. Patayin ko muna to, guys. Kasi tanongin natin yung
Mama,
medical condition ni
you have to
Beatrice.
see this first.
For my husband.
Mom, you have to see this first, Mama.
Okay. Yeah, I will. Say hi to my vlog, please. Bye.
Hi.
So, guys, dumating na yung ating air purifier. Ang laki. So big pa pa, no? Okay, this is...
It's not a purifier.
Ang laki.
Ah, 150.
Wow. Very nice. So, it's a smart air purifier. So, ang laki pala. Wow. Beatrice, tumatahol. Ay, God. Tumatahol yung bata. Let's see. Let's open. Open naman siya. Okay. With the paaman na sa manual, precautions, remove the seal before power on. Thank you, Papa. It was an effort for him to pick up.
It's only a bit. There you go.
Wow, it's big. I don't expect this. That this big. So,
Can you put
I'm
this?
vlogging. So, what is the say the seal that he is talking about in the top?
Maybe the seal, one of them. Maybe there's something
This
more.
is something here. This one. I know. That's the
This
one.
one, yes.
Yes. Yeah, this is the one he's talking about. Okay. Tanggalin daw natin yung seal. Ito din kailangan namin, guys, ang HEPA filter. Ito kasi yung kailangan natin, yung HEPA filter dito.
Pull it.
Okay.
That is all your packing bag.
At least airborne particles, including pollen,
Small azure, sweet microbes.
pet dander, smoke, dust, smoke,
And viruses, huh?
viruses, dust mites, mold, spores, germs, and PM 2.5. What is PM
PM,
2.5?
I think it has to do with the cleanness of the air.
So, ganyan. Kaya ang laki ha. Bago kasi namin binili to, chinek namin. It is 5
Maybe this is
minutes.
the bag that they were referring to.
5 minutes, ma-filter na yung small room. 20 minutes yung entire room namin.
The thing is, the cable is okay long, and it
26 degrees, 66% humidity, no? 26 inside, 22. It's nice because it's really not, the decibel is so low. So guys, kasi ito, how do you call that? You can control it sa phone. Ano lang yung asawa ko, nag-upload nag-download ng apps. So makontrol mo kahit wala ka dito, pwede mo siya i-turn off. Yung smart mga ano na ba ngayon ba appliances, so ganun siya. It's okay na. Pag-aralan muna namin guys ha. Ayan, at least na kami, feel okay kami sa winter na kaming para ma-filter yung namin para kay Beatrice.